Sure. Companion planting is just any combination of plants that improves your garden's efficiency in some way, whether that's like productivity or efficiency. So the classic example is Three Sisters, which is corns, beans, and squash. So the idea being that you plant corns, then you plant beans, they grow up the corns, and then you also plant squash in that same area, and the squash leaves kind of shade the ground and almost act like a living mulch to keep the moisture in and the weeds down. Another example is planting things like marigolds or other flowers that attract pollinators next to things like strawberries or tomatoes, which essentially helps more fruit get pollinated, and then you get a bigger crop. There are also certain herbs you can plant near other vegetables or fruits that keep some of the pests or insects away from that plant that you want to grow better. And you can also do it by season. So here I have a bunch of onions growing, and then I just planted the tomato right in the middle. And so my hope is that by the time the tomato gets really big and bushy, the onions will be ready to harvest, so I can get more use out of a smaller space. And cold weather crops like peas or lettuces or radishes are also great things to do that with. Then you can basically get 2 crops out of the same bed throughout the growing season. I'm sure there's more that I'm forgetting, but that's the gist. Let me know if you have any other questions. Happy to help.